Let the blades spin up to the normal RPM and check the engine out, and then we'll be ready to go fly. But let's just sit here and watch everything turn.
There's some things that are in the airplane spin really pretty fast.
Yeah, they sure do. The rotors on top spin real fast. They don't spin quite as fast as propellers on airplanes, but... Okay, we'll get the radios turned on here in case somebody's talking to us. We'll be able to hear them. You want to be my co-pilot? Yeah. Watch that yellow light for me and let me know when that goes off. I'm waiting for that light to go off. So
why?
When that light goes off, then I get to check some systems here. I'll tell you about that when the light goes off. Right now, we're just kind of watching everything. Everything looks normal. And we're watching the light.
I want a scary ride. It's the one when the guys are doing like stuff.
Yeah.
They go this.
Yeah.
Then they throw water at you.
Is the light out? Okay, lights out.
I told you.
Thank you. We're going to roll the power up to 75%. We're going to check the right magneto. It's good. Left magneto. It's good. Check the carb heat. It's good.
Oh boy.
You're going to hear a big horn in your headset. I'm just checking it.
I've never been in an airplane before.
You've never been in an airplane?
Nope.
Well, I can tell everybody you've been in an airplane with a CD player. We can listen to music, radios. We're almost ready to go fly. Everything looks normal. I just need to get the
Hope
fridge.
my dad's seeing me.
Yeah.
I got a dad and my uncles.
Do you? Well, we're going to roll the power up now.
I can't even whistle if it's on.
Yeah. Okay, RPM's up to 100%.
100%.
100%. That's where we need it for flying. Everything looks normal. The area's clear right and overhead, left and overhead. I'm going to pull her up into a hover, okay? You guys ready?
Yep. Put it. Don't make it.
Okay.
I think why I'm doing that.
Because the blades are blowing the grass around.
Whoa.
We're flying. Tail's clear right. It's coming right. This is all there is to it. You're airborne. This cool?
Yep.
Okay, we're going to turn the nose.
I'm gonna be going to a plane.
Are you?
Going inside it.
Well, here we go. We're taking off right now.
Whee! Whoa!
Isn't that cool?
Yep. Okay, you can stop now. You can stop now because I'm afraid of heights.
Oh, okay. We won't go too high then. You sure you're afraid of heights? You're being real brave.
I'm just afraid of heights.
Are you?
Like my dad.
Oh, okay. Well, we're coming left over the Little Miami River here. The area's clear on around to the left.
Whoa.
We'll keep this climb going.
I see the river.
Yeah.
Where's the park at?
It's to the left. See the Son of Beast, that big wooden roller coaster?
Yep.
Isn't that cool?
Yep. Me and my brother. Oh! Oh! There's the big thing. We go up. Woo!
Yeah, the drop zone.
I'm kind of choked here.
Yeah, you're being choked.
A little bit.
Oh.
I'm okay.
You okay?
Whoa!
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
What do you see out that left door?
100 rides.
Yeah.
100.
100?
Uh-huh.
Wow.
I've never been on this before then. There's that car race. I can't even see my mom.
No, well, your mom's back on the other side of the park. We can't see her
I
from here.
can't even see nothing. Whoa! I can't.
Keep that on. Keep that on. Hey, put that back on.
There. Ah, baseball field.
Butler County traffic. Lines of Ulysses departing.
Yeah, they play tennis there.
There's the baseball field.
They play tennis there.
There's the baseball field, B. Right there.
Right there.
Oh,
Isn't that cool?
Cool.
See the park there?
Yep.
Right off the nose?
Right there.
Yeah.
I didn't even know there was an airplane in here.
You mean a helicopter?
Yeah.
Right, we're brand new.
Oh.
We're coming back to the right. You guys liking this? Is cool?
There's your thing. There's all that.
Yep.
Thing.
There's the Son of Beast.
They know.
Okay, once we get out over the river here.
There's the water.
Yep, there's the river again. We're going to be descending and turning to the right.
County traffic, Piper 67 kilo, downwind runway 11, ballpark.
Okay, I'm going to start my descent now. You're going to feel your ears pop a little bit. We're coming down and to the right.
Wow, I'm a
Here we go, down and to the right.
Oh, okay, that way.
Is that cool? You liking that?
Butler County traffic, 9 Zulu Whiskey is crosswind for 11, number 2.
This is fun.
Is this fun?
There's a picture thing.
Yeah.
What does that mean?
What's what mean? Oh, that camera? That's what I'm filming. I got the camera outside. I'm filming the Son of Beast, and the drop zone's in the background.
Nothing freaking.
There, I put the camera on the inside, so it's filming you.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, see you in front? See your brother in the back?
Yep.
Okay.
Is it fun in the back? Yep. Pretty comfortable, too.
Is it comfortable? Well, good.
Butler County traffic, 9 Zulu Whiskey
We'll put the camera to the outside, film your mom there on the other end of the pad.
downwind for 11, Butler County.
Now, once we land, stay in your seat. Mike.
I see my uncle.
Okay.
Mike.
Once we land, stay in your seat. Mike will come over and help you out. When you exit, you need to go to the front of the helicopter. Now, we did film the whole flight, okay? So you're going to want to go watch the video. You want to wave at them? They're all waving. There you go. I'll turn so they can see you. You guys both want to wave? There, everybody's waving. Okay, tail's coming to the right.
Yep.
Everybody waved at Mom, Dad, and your uncle? Okay.
Uncle Mike.
Uncle Mike?
Yep.
That's funny. The guy who's loading and unloading you, his name is Mike. Okay, we're down. Mike's coming over to get you out. Stay in your seat until he comes to get you out, okay?
My ears kind of hurt.
Just work your jaw around like you're chewing gum and it'll pop. It'll equalize the pressure. Move your jaw around. Here you go. I'll take this headset. And there's the seatbelt. You want to take that off? Go that way. Hey, get out there. Go.